That's coming in. The Supreme Court has refused immediate relief to rape convict and former BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar in the custodial death case of the Unnao rape victim's father. Supreme Court has asked the Delhi High Court to hear Sengar's plea for suspension of sentence and bail and to decide within 3 months. Remember, Kuldeep Sengar was convicted for the 2017 Unnao rape case and is serving a life sentence. The victim's father died in police custody in 2018 after allegedly being assaulted and falsely booked. Sengar was later sentenced to 10 years in prison in the custodial death case as well. Let me in fact go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who will join us shortly on the broadcast. But remember that the Supreme Court now has denied relief to Sengar. In fact, the Supreme Court has denied any immediate relief to Kuldeep Sengar. I believe Sambhav is back on the line with us. Sambhav, take us through what the Supreme Court had to say in the Sengar case.
Well, here this was a petition before Chief Justice of India, where a relief was sought from the Supreme Court, where Kuldeep Sengar has sought this relief in the custodial death case of the Unnao rape victim's father. And here the top court bench, led by the Chief Justice of India, has directed the Delhi High Court to hear his appeal and decide on his bail within 3 months, and has in a way refused to entertain this case at the top level. The Supreme Court has refused any relief to Kuldeep Singh Sengar today in this death case of the Unnao survivor's father. And however, the Supreme Court has directed the Delhi High Court to hear this petition and within 3 months to come up to decide on his bail petition. Remember, in this particular case, earlier on January 19th, the Delhi High Court had refused to suspend Kuldeep Singh Sengar's 10-year jail term in this case on the ground of the delay in trial. And
all right. Thank you so much, Sambhav, for all those details on that front. With that, we are wrapping up this bulletin and slipping into a short commercial.